armhole circumference. After I've done this, I'll add extra 1 inch sewing allowance to the side of the armhole circumference. Now you should take note that this is a bell sleeve. I want my sleeve length to be 25 inches, so I added extra 1 inch allowance, which made it 26 inches altogether. Now on the sleeve opening, I marked 11 inches because I don't want the sleeve to be too wide. Then I connected that point to the armhole circumference. Now at the tip of the line here, I marked ½ inch to make a little curve in order to eliminate the sharp edges that is supposed to be there if the curve isn't there. Alright, so I went ahead to trim out my sleeve following the direction of the chalk. Then I'll place this on my main fabric to cut out the second sleeve. So I've been able to cut out the second sleeve. Now I'm going to go ahead to spread out one of the sleeves to stitch the hem of the sleeve by folding it ½ inch in and further folding it by ½ inch, and I'll do the same for the second sleeve. I've secured the hem of the sleeve. I folded the sleeve into two, then took the sleeve to the sewing machine to stitch the edges by 1 inch, and I'll do the same for the second sleeve. Now I'm turning the sleeves to the right side of the fabric and both sleeves are ready. The next step is to stitch the armhole of the sleeve to the armhole of the dress. Alright, so the sleeves has been properly attached. And the next step is to stitch the hem of the dress by folding it ½ inch in and further folding it by ½ inch. So the hem of my dress is properly secured, and the final step is to make a strap for the loops at the back of this dress. The width of the strap is 1.5 inches while the length is 60 inches. If you're a plus size person, you can make the length of your strap longer than mine. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to fold the top of the strap in by ½ inch and to fold the sides of the strap in by ½ inch, and then further fold it on each other, so the starting of the strap would be very neat. Now I'll take this to the sewing machine to stitch to secure the edges of the straps, and when I get to the end, I would also fold the bottom of the strap in by ½ inch and then the sides by ½ inch, then further fold it on each other. So this is the straps, and the final step is to pass the straps into the loops. Alright, so this is the final outcome of this dress. I hope this tutorial was helpful. You should give it a try, and if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, share and like my tutorials, and also put on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new tutorials so you don't get to miss any of my tutorials. Thank you and see you in my next tutorial.